Imagine this. You've had a long day on the road, finally park for the night, but your truck or RV feels like a sauna. Sleeping in that heat? No way. That's why you need the best rooftop air conditioner to keep your cabin cool and comfortable no matter how scorching it gets outside. In this video, I'll show you the top-performing rooftop AC units that deliver powerful cooling, energy efficiency, and easy installation. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab the best deals. Let's dive in. The number 5 product on our list is KINGRVER Non-Ducted Rooftop Air Conditioner. Is your vehicle's cabin turning into a sauna under the scorching sun? Imagine stepping inside and instantly feeling a refreshing blast of cool air. Sounds like a dream, right? The Dometic FreshJet Series Rooftop Air Conditioner makes that dream a reality with its powerful cooling performance and sleek, low-profile design. One of its standout features is the front and back airflow distribution, ensuring every corner of your space gets cooled evenly. Plus, the intuitive controls let you easily adjust temperature and fan speed without any hassle. Installation is straightforward, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable rooftop air conditioner. But is it perfect? Some users report airflow issues with the distribution box, which might affect cooling efficiency. However, if you're looking for quiet operation and consistent performance, this could be the ideal upgrade for your rooftop cooling needs. At number 4 is Icon Rooftop Air Conditioner. Ever had your rooftop air conditioner's shroud, crack, fade, or just not hold up over time? If you're dealing with a worn-out cover, the Icon Rooftop Air Conditioner shroud might be the perfect solution. This heavy-duty replacement is designed to fit Dometic Duotherm Penguin AC units with 100 0 to 15,000 BT. One of the biggest selling points? It's built tougher than the original. Many users report that this shroud feels more rugged and long-lasting than what came with their unit. Installation is simple, though some customers mention needing to drill a few new holes for a precise fit. So, should you buy it? If you want a sturdy, well-built replacement that won't crack under pressure, this is a solid pick. But if you're looking for an exact bolt-on fit with no modifications, you may need to make a few adjustments. The third one on our list is Furrion Black Chill Rooftop Air Conditioner. Did you know a rooftop air conditioner can be up to 50% quieter and more efficient than standard models? Meet the Furrion Black Chill Rooftop Air Conditioner, a powerhouse designed to deliver 15,000 BTUs of cooling power while being energy efficient, durable, and ultra-quiet. One of its standout features is the dual fan technology, which enhances airflow and prevents overheating, ensuring faster cooling even in extreme heat. Plus, Vibration Smart and Climate Smart technologies make it tough enough to handle rough road conditions. Installation is straightforward and it's built for maximum efficiency with an aerodynamic design that reduces wind resistance. Now, should you buy it? If you want whisper-quiet operation, efficient cooling, and long-term durability, this is a fantastic choice. However, some users mention that the color choice, black or white, is purely aesthetic and the unit itself is quite heavy. If those aren't deal breakers, this best rooftop air conditioner could be the ultimate upgrade. On number 2 is Dometic Brisk 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Can an air conditioner keep you cool even in 117-degree heat? The Dometic Brisk 500 BTU rooftop air conditioner is built for extreme conditions, promising powerful airflow, top-tier cooling, and durability. But does it live up to the hype? Right away, its smart design maximizes efficiency, making it one of the best rooftop air conditioners for both ducted and non-ducted applications. The high-performance fan and compressor ensure quick cooling, but there's a trade-off. It's louder than some competitors. If you're sensitive to noise, this could be a downside. However, its rugged construction and ability to handle scorching temperatures make it a top choice for serious cooling power. Some users say it works best when paired with another unit, especially in extreme heat. Should you buy it? If you need strong, reliable cooling, this is a great investment. But if you're looking for whisper-quiet operation, you might want to explore other options. Now moving to the last one is Coleman Mach Air Conditioner. Can an air conditioner survive a cross-country trip in a battered box and still deliver powerful cooling? The Coleman Mach 1500 BTU rooftop air conditioner proves it can. Designed for superior cooling and heating performance, this unit is a strong contender for the best rooftop air conditioner. But is it the right one for you? With a 1/3 HP fan motor, it blasts cool air efficiently, maintaining a 20-degree delta T even in extreme heat. Installation is straightforward, though it's important to note it doesn't come with a controller board. If you're upgrading, you may need to reuse parts from your old system. Durability-wise, the packaging leaves much to be desired, with some users reporting damaged pallets and loose straps, but once installed, it performs exceptionally well. Should you buy it? If you need powerful cooling and don't mind a little DIY installation, this is a solid choice. However, be prepared for potential shipping hassles. After testing and comparing these top rooftop air conditioners, one stands out as the ultimate winner: the Furrion Black Chill Rooftop Air Conditioner. With its dual fan technology, ultra-quiet operation, and energy efficiency, it delivers unbeatable cooling power while keeping noise levels low. Its vibration-smart and climate-smart technologies make it perfect for rough road conditions, ensuring long-term durability. While installation may require some muscle, the performance speaks for itself. If you want the best rooftop air conditioner for your vehicle, Furrion Black Chill is the way to go. So guys, this was the video about the best rooftop air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.